Edo Police Command don gbab illegal ticket collectors for Ogege, Benin City. Officers of the Edo State Police Command don gbab some people for Ogege axis of Sapele Road, Benin City, where they collect illegal tickets wey dem talk say na for biker welfare of the place. Deputy Governor for Edo State don talk say make the illegal ticket collectors talk who send them to dey collect the ticket so that e go help the task force get better information to go after the people wey dem send them.
We don't need you to tell them there and send you. When you tell us, we will go after them. Not you policemen, are you? So tell them there, and you'll be safe. You understand? I don't have any problem with you, but I will only have problem with you if you not tell us who prints this ticket, give you to the use. You understand? You are not get problem with you, but if you want problem, don't talk. But if you don't want me to have problems, tell me, and I will leave you and go after those guys that are doing this. Because as they send you now, that's how they send others.
Commissioner for Police Abutu Yaro come talk say the Edo State Police Command don set up task force wey go work with the Edo State Board of Internal Revenue Service to curb illegal ticketing for Edo State, and na Edo South dem go start from. E come talk say anyone wey dem catch, dem go charge them to court for robbery of the state government.
Directly with the Board of Internal Revenue, we check illegal tickets within Edo South. We start with Edo South, go regional and central. A lot of self-appointed people mount strategic locations in the state to collect a lot of. In fact, CSO after this, you take them. So that one I met in government as the chairman. You know, I met in government as that is the team leader of the task force now. They say they have some chairmen that gave them. You record them, prepare to tell them, and then the chairman that sent them, you invite them. Please continue. That is Edo State government versus this. While we are still working on the task force composition, detailed investigation of this one starts. The important message we want to send is this. Look, the only person who is authorized to collect revenue from the public is Edo State Board of Internal Revenue. Even if you have any revenue drive, first of all, you come to the state government internal revenue, they will give you permit and tell you that this is some special areas of collection. Then they will give you tickets. Then from the ticket you collect, they will define for you how you take your own benefit. Not everybody just waking up and begin to collect the money. In fact, they are charging you people now for robbery. It's not armed, but it's robbery. Because when you stand there, you carry koboko, so that you carry stick. Yes, you carry stick. And anybody who refuses to pay, you used to fight them. You used to attack them. So using force to collect money from people without government authorization is robbery. But it's not armed robbery, but it's robbery because you are opening eye for them. And most of you are dangerous or Kagele. Who are using force to acquire what does not belong to you. Who can't allow you to operate in this way. Are you hearing me? So now they have case. Case starts from here. With Board of Internal Revenue, and from them you have organized collection, recorded by government, and come to the public treasury for the developmental transformation of the state. We are not going to allow situation like this to persist. And whoever do otherwise, the necessary law will be enforced, and many people are going to receive severe sanctions for this. We must bring insanity to an end. There must be orderliness, and we must allow government to do its work. Government has a lot of developmental objectives, tasks, and yet the revenue that is supposed to come in to assuage the demands of these projects and developmental plan, individually, they are packing into their pocket. We are going to stop it. So seriously, organize and move.
The people wey dem gbab so come chook mouth for their involvement for the crime.
The bike riders over there at that junction, House Park, I dey have chairman. It's the chairman that appoint me to collect money for the money be collected by each bike is 200. Any bike that paid, I record his number, and the money be collected is revenue, not ticket. And the driving revenue is that the end of the year they use to buy anything like rice, like anything be shared at the end of the year. But inside the process of it, if there is any accident or any issue between the bike rider, they put inside that purse to solve that issue. So that's where I know that exactly what I know about that money be collected. By me, this the same issue I be raised in that community, and which by the chairman and all of them moved down to the station to settle this issue, and that's why I believe that I can work with him, because if I know that it's illegal, I won't work. I'm just hearing that the money be collected is illegal, because what I experienced from the park by that money is that every year they used to buy rice, chicken, ororo, be shared to the bike riders there, and each bike rider that have accident, they have been using that money to treat them, or anyone that his bike is lost, they will take from that purse and the bike rider will add it to that one to replace that. That's what I know about that money being collected by the chairman of that park. I'll be working with him now for just 4 months to 5 months now, if I'm not making mistake.
I am Saint Tommy Boy, so I work for somebody, so the money is not going to my purse, neither do I know where the money is going to. It's for survival, daily survival, that's the reason I do it. So there are 3 groups of community, so I don't know their name actually. I just started not quite long ago. What they do is, they give you this thing, like go and do it. We don't interact.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party.